Hello, today I am making 2-sin chocolate cake. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. You need a hot highlight, which is one of these. These are 2-sins because they're 40 calories. I prefer the Bourneville ones, but they didn't have any of these, so we've got one of these. Now you add it to the bowl, as it is. You add an egg, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sweetener, and you mix it all together. It's quite hard to get going. Once it gets going, it's fine. And then scrape all the bottom, all the sides. So although it's only 2 sins, you don't want to leave your sins behind, you want them in the bowl. Keep beating it until it all comes together. There you go, as you can see. Sorry for the camera angle today, but my cameraman has abandoned me today for the England match. So I've decided to make myself a chocolate cake when he's not around. Now it is all mixed together. You can do this in a cup or a little pot. I've got a little heart-shaped pot. Add the mixture to it. Make sure that you get everything out of the bowl. Now I'll put this in the microwave for a minute on, if you have an 800 watt microwave, it's a minute, but you'll have to vary it to whatever one you have. Now I made one earlier, which came out like this, heart-shaped chocolate cake. And what I'm going to add to it is a topping. Now I have some of this protein, quark, which is strawberry flavoured, and chocolates and strawberries go really well together. So that is one of those. 2 spoonfuls of that, and this is creme fraiche, and 2 teaspoons of that. Mix it together. Add a spoonful of sweetener. Now you can either chop strawberries and add to it, which is what I'm going to do now. That'll be the chocolate cake ready. Chop strawberries into it. Remember, not mash them, they're chopped, so there are no sins. And then you add this to the top. With strawberries to decorate. There you have your chocolate cake, which is 2 sins. Enjoy.